Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be installing a wig I got from WOWIGS hair company. This is the wig right now. They did send it to me 1B 20 inches straight, but I did color it and customize it. I will insert a clip somewhere on your screen so you can see how I first received it. But this is the color now. I wanted to do a nice deep burgundy, not nothing too bright, but I did want to do burgundy. I love this color. You can never really go wrong with red. I did adjust it already, and the wig did come with a band already, so that was really helpful because it helps keep the wig pretty secure. So now all I'm doing is just lining up the wig hairline with my natural hairline, but I do want to line it up about a half an inch over my real hairline just so it can have enough place to put enough space to put the glue on. The hair did lift pretty easily. I didn't have any problems with it, so that's a good thing. So I do want to go with the middle part, so I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure. I haven't had red in so long. I used to wear it a lot when I was in high school, but this is really my first time wearing it after high school. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and cut a lot of this excess lace off. I will leave a little bit, but I need to cut most of this off because it'll get in the way. So I got most of that lace cut off. Now I can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna fold this back. I do like to wipe my forehead with 91% alcohol. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So you can just go over where the glue will be going with alcohol, because you want it to be able to actually stick and not have all that makeup, dirt, grease, grime everywhere. So now, the glue I'll be using, it is the Boho Active. You can pretty much find this at any beauty supply. I know beauty supplies are starting to sell it, but if not, you can always go on the Hair Diagram website and she sells them directly because she makes them. I like Boho Active because it has a really good hold. It doesn't give you that, you know, shiny, greasy look. It gives you a really natural matte look, and I like that. And I always get at least 3 weeks hold out of this. The regular Boho Hold Extreme is good too, but I like the Active because I sweat a lot, and it's especially formulated for people who sweat a lot or high humidity. And so I like to go in 3 sections. Basically the middle, side, and other side. And I'll do 3 layers on each section, and then we'll stick it down. And you don't want to put too much glue. You literally want to put just a tad bit because this stuff is strong. And don't think just because you put more it's gonna last longer. It's actually not gonna last if you put too much glue down. So I usually just let the glue air dry. It doesn't take long for the glue to dry. And sometimes I'll just wave it with my hand just to speed the process up. But it doesn't take long to dry at all. Okay, so now it's about time to stick. I'm going to start in the middle and then side to side just like I did with applying the glue. So this is one of the most important parts because you don't want to mess up, because once that lace is down, it's down. And you really can't pull it up or you'll just really create a big mess. So what I like to do is place the lace a tad bit over the glue, because once the glue likes to spread and you don't want any glue left out. So I do the middle section first. And then I proceed to this side. And please take your time. There's no rush. No rush at all. So you wanna make sure it's lace covering the glue. And then you can back comb it with the rat tail. Make sure you just can clearly see what you're doing. And make sure you rub right behind your ear. And just like that, it sticks. And then you can proceed to the other side. Make sure you're back combing. Now after I stick her down, I like to blast her with the cool heat setting on the blow dryer just to lock in that glue and just to make sure that it won't move anywhere. Okay, so we're gonna start cutting now. I like to cut my ear tabs first, just to get that out the way, because doing it on yourself, it can be very hard to cut those ear tabs off. So I like to basically trace around my ear. Don't cut your ear, please don't. Please don't cut your ear. That's why you really have to check your time when cutting this off. Okay, so I like to cut my lace off with a razor because it gives that jagged line, and you don't want that straight line. You want it to be jagged so it can look as natural as possible. So I did cut a slit right here just to see where I can start off. I want to go this way and then I want to go this way. Up, so I just push it in with my finger, and I even go a step further as to blow dry it on cool while I'm pushing it in just to further melt that. Okay, so this is without baby hairs. This is just freshly laid. I didn't even tie it down yet, but this is what you'll have initially. This side, so I'm going to high comb my hair a little flatter, especially since I have a middle part. The hot comb really makes a big difference. Okay, so this is the hair straight. It's pretty soft even though I dyed it. Now I think I want to have some curls in it. So these are the curls that I just do in. I just curled this one, so I'm not going to loosen that up yet. All right, ladies, so this is the final look that I'm going with today. I did add a few loose curls in it just to add a little bit more body. It did take the color well, everything. It still has its integrity, so that's good. I will be putting all of the specs in the description below as far as the dye I use, products I use, and the specs on this hair. I will also leave the link so you can get your hair from WOWIGS Hair Company. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you later.